Welcome back everyone to a new video of app tutorial, and the topic of today's video is, can you delete Facebook but keep Messenger? And the simple answer to this is no, because Facebook and Messenger are connected. If you delete your Facebook, your Messenger will also be deleted. But however, you can deactivate it. Deactivation is temporary, and when you deactivate your Facebook, other people won't be able to search you up or your username of Facebook. So it is pretty much similar to deleting, but it is not permanent. So what you need to do if you want to deactivate it is you can open up your Facebook app, tap on the menu on the top right, scroll down from here, tap on settings and privacy, and tap on settings. From the settings under accounts, you'll be able to see an option called access and control. You can tap on this option and tap on deactivation and deletion. Now there are two sections to this. The deactivation is temporary and the deletion is permanent. So select the deactivate account option and tap on continue. Type in the password of your Facebook account and tap on continue. Choose a reason of deactivating your account and tap on continue again. Now lastly, it's going to show you a section of reactivating your account. You can choose to automatically deactivate it within these days, or you can also tap on don't reactivate automatically. If you do this, you'll need to reactivate it manually. So you can just tap on continue. And lastly, you can tap on deactivate my account and your Facebook will be successfully deactivated, which means other people or your friends on Facebook won't be able to see your profile. But however, your Messenger will still be active and you can send in messages and call other people as you normally do on Messenger. The other thing that you also need to know is that if you don't reactivate your account within 30 days of you deactivating it, your account of Facebook will be deleted, which is permanent. So make sure you reactivate it if you don't want that to happen. So that's all for this video. That was the easy process of deactivating your Facebook but still keeping Messenger. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you are interested in more daily videos just like this.